Make a great choice today with the 2016 Audi S3. The Audi S3 comes standard with the Quattro all-wheel drive system and offers the control that you'd expect out of it. Couple the control with the power the Audi S3 provides and you have a vehicle that is truly a joy to drive. Take a seat inside the S3 and you'll see an interior that's refreshingly simple yet extremely refined and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, power moonroof, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.